Okay, I just realized I missed a few things, and I also wanted to just kind of give a better view of the engine compartment, how everything, what stays, what goes. When I first tore into this, I saw these lines and thought, oh, this is going to be a bear, but take your time, think about it logically, and it's not too bad. Let's see, there's these lines, 3 of them. Not really sure what. Oh yeah, there's the fuel lines. So they come off up here and back there. And then that, I think that's the breather right there as well. So, radiator or the coolant hoses going into the heater core come off right there. I believe that came off as well. All right, I'll show you all the same stuff. So yeah, fuel lines, breather, heater hose, heater core. Here's a better look at the steering. There's a bolt there and 2 bolts that hold it here. This just seemed to be the easier one to go with. And I think that's about it. I haven't done the bed yet, but those are usually straightforward. We'll see. Thank you.